100 years ago, a child sat in a classroom, staring at a chalkboard. The teacher spoke, the student tried to follow. Today, another child sits in front of a screen. Their teacher isn't human anymore. It's artificial intelligence, and it already knows how they think. Welcome to a new era of learning. One that doesn't happen in classrooms, but inside the human mind.
Education is stuck in time. We still memorize instead of think, test instead of explore, reward repetition instead of curiosity. Students learn how to pass exams, not how to question the world. And teachers, they drown in paperwork, forms, pressure, and rules. They barely have time to breathe, let alone inspire. But AI didn't wait for permission. It just started teaching. Students began using it in secret and discovered what schools forgot. Learning begins when you ask why. That simple question is now shaking the entire system.
AI is transforming everything. It adapts to you, listens to you, and learns how you learn. For the first time ever, every student gets a personal mentor, a guide that listens, not a voice that lectures. By the way, if you want to hear how this actually sounds, check the link below to 11 Labs, the same tech I use to bring these words to life. It's almost too human. The future of learning isn't about classrooms, it's about curiosity. No schedules, no fixed paths, just curiosity powered by intelligence. Here's how it already looks. AI tutors explain any topic in your own language. Adaptive systems adjust to how your brain works. And mistakes become guidance, not punishment. AI doesn't replace the teacher, it frees them, so they can finally teach people, not content. If you've been thinking about starting something with AI, maybe a YouTube channel, a business, or just working smarter, you're not alone. At SMARTAIDIGI, we create in-depth videos that make AI simple to understand and practical to use. Each episode explores real examples, smart workflows, and creative ways to apply AI in your daily work with no hype, just clarity and real value. And to help you get started, we've created a free AI starter kit with 224 prompts, 100 essential tools, and our complete master prompt guide. It's the easiest way to start your AI journey today. Grab your free resources at smartaidigi.com and subscribe to our channel. Join the creators who are learning to build smarter with AI.
Of course, not everyone likes this change. Some people fear it. If AI teaches, what's left for us? But this isn't the end of teaching. It's the beginning of something better. The teacher's role is evolving, from explaining to inspiring. AI teaches knowledge, humans teach meaning. Technology can read every book ever written, but it can't see fear in a child's eyes. It can't feel the pride of a moment of understanding. AI changes how we learn, but only we decide why we learn. So how can you actually learn with AI, not from it? 3 steps. 1. Ask like a child. Curiosity first. 2. Teach what you learn. That's mastery. 3. Combine heart and technology. Because knowledge without empathy isn't wisdom. Stay tuned. This is just the beginning. In the next decade, education will evolve more than it did in the last century. Knowledge won't be locked in schools or behind tuition. It'll belong to everyone, to every curious mind on Earth. AI will turn curiosity into the new currency of humanity. One day, kids will ask, "How did you learn without AI?" And we'll smile, just like our grandparents smile when we ask how they lived without the internet. Every generation builds a bridge. This is ours. between humans and machines, between questions and answers, between fear and hope.
If you enjoyed this video, you'll love the one we released before this, the new jobs created by AI, what no one's telling you. It reveals how automation isn't just replacing work, it's creating entirely new roles and opportunities no one talks about.
Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow and subscribe, tag a friend, and drop the word prompt in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.